65% of the respondents actually acknowledged that Delhi's air quality has reached a state of health emergency. About 3/4 of these people comprise of the youths. That's almost 75% of the youths.
The rich can afford air purifiers, masks, and somewhere or the other they are just getting out of the situation so easily, while the poor are directly in contact with this environment that they're living here.
एक इंसान को जीने के लिए, एक आदमी को, जैसे अब हमें जीने के लिए क्या चाहिए, हमें ना तो रुपए की कमी, पैसे चाहिए, ना कुछ चाहिए, हमें सिर्फ पहला चीज जो चाहिए हवा चाहिए।
Smog towers, do you think smog towers can work?
You see, air quality is a complex issue and it cannot be solved with sporadic, one-time thing like putting up a smog tower or doing an odd and even for 15 days. It needs comprehensive planning and that is where we lack because you need a year plan.
ताली नहीं चलनी चाहिए, वो क्यों चल रही है उसका बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से इलाज करना पड़ेगा और ये विषय सरकारी लेवल पर वहाँ जाना पड़ेगा। हर गांव में इसके लिए जागृति करनी पड़ेगी।
For the last 50 years, people across the world have been crying and showing evidences proof that there are definitely things to be worried about. Air pollution as subject probably got highlighted since 5 years, 6 years back.
Right.
And it has become a kind of, whenever there is a reactive attitude
right.
of all stakeholders,
right.
including the media.
Right. I mean, if you're looking at it at a larger public policy perspective, Delhi's air pollution is not really going to, the real solution of Delhi's pollution is outside Delhi per se, whether it's NCR or it is districts beyond.
You have to understand the ripple effect of every small activity that we undertake, right? And we can't act in a complete ignorant and disconnected fashion. Everything is interlinked and therefore we need to start with a dialogue.